Operator and process engineer always can introduce changes into process or create a new one for new job in a process editor mode. Amendments in old process or creation of new one can be made in process editor mode and realized by two ways: graphic and table. When a graph of new thermoprofile for a new process is ready, it is necessary to halt the device's definition process, what can be done as for existing configuration of equipment, as for any other what potentially will be used in future in other equipment. When definition is done, the program can create an automatic profiles both for top and bottom heater. These profiles for heaters will be also automatically linked to channels and channels defined to devices channels, what easily can be checked in color number frames, under a chart and in panels of devices. Each profile will be marked in color line and number of the channel, if needed. The complex allows the control of heaters in manual mode or keep the temperature on it stable or even switch it off completely. After thermoprofiles for heaters are created, the process is ready for work and can be saved as a file in Processes directory for further use. We highly recommend to leave as much detailed description in a file-saving window as possible. This information will help to match files for each particular job. For more precise heat distribution and balancing, operator can apply a temperature automatic correction method. For what, check marks in channel definition window have to be put into cooler, top or bottom. If it is needed to introduce channels or make any amendments into early created process, it has to be selected and downloaded into process edit mode. After that, you should select one of profiles which is going to be edited. The following procedure is completely the same as we described earlier in case of new process creation. Change graph points, change table value, check definition and links, and save the new version of an amended file with old or new name in Processes directory. The program will recommend you to make a recalculations of auto profiles. We recommend to do so, but in case when changes are neglected and you're sure in data, the software can be ignored. The difference between processes of soldering, desoldering, reballing and mass soldering is only in temperature parameters and materials used, what change a shape of thermoprofile and sometimes a heat transfer balance between top and bottom heaters. Operator or process engineer can use one of basic processes supplied with program as a base for adaptation to his daily needs. And of course, operator has to take into consideration some specific features of products he works with and tune the basic process to reflect his specific. Despite the fact that this film contains information which can be recognized as training, we highly recommend to read and study Manual for Use and Safety to whole complex and each particular module. For upgrade your experience and learning more specific features and case studies components installation, we address our customers and partners to document practical questions of BGA components installation and removal. All these documents and many others are available on CDs supplied with equipment. Modular soldering complex IK650 Pro with TermoproCenter program is a flexible instrument of modern electronic industry, what helps you to solve complicated technology tasks. We would be glad to share our experience with you.